So now we will discuss the hardware interrupts. So this is the hardware interrupt blocks for C28X interrupt. So the C28X is our processor. The controller is F2837X, but the processor inside it is C28X. So each interrupt is located specific location inside the table. So you have an interrupt number and a PIE number. On the basis of these two numbers, this block will know which interrupt we are going to service. So as we are going to service the ADC A1 interrupt, so we can see here that the ADC A1 interrupt is inside 1.1. So the CPU interrupt number is 1, whereas the PIE interrupt number is also 1. So we can get these numbers from the PIE channel mapping. This is available inside the technical reference value manual for the TI controller. So you can get it here. So we have the CPU interrupt number and the PI interrupt numbers. We can get in update these numbers from here. If you have multiple interrupts, you can put a vector here, but because we have a single interrupt here, we will only have a scalar value here. After that, there's the task priority. If we have different interrupts, we can assign a task priority here. It will then it can then change the value. It is required so that you can switch from one task to other. So the priority is 30 is the lowest priority. So it means that if a task occurs which has a priority greater than this value, it will switch to that task, and after completing that task, it will come back to the ADC task and it will complete that. You can ignore the preemption flag for now.